guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm your host Caitlin, and it is about to be the day of love. It is Valentine's Day, and I love every single one of you that spend time with me in my kitchen, and that we hang out and you watch Cait Straight Up. I really love you. You're my true loves. It's awesome. But what is better on Valentine's Day than a little bit of champagne and some chocolate-covered strawberries? If you are trying to get down and feel classy with your significant other, this is the way to go. So I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to make some chocolate-covered strawberries while I drink some champagne with you, my loves. Let's get going. So as you can see, we have a double boiler kind of system going on over here. We got some boiling water in our bottom pot, and we have a nice metal bowl up top. This is the best way to melt our chocolate chips that we're going to dip our strawberries in. So this really couldn't be easier. You dump about 1 cup of chocolate chips into that double boiler, and you're going to want to make sure that you give it a nice stir from time to time, because what will melt first is obviously what's on the metal end, and you just want to make sure that all your chocolate melts. So you're just going to want to stir your chocolate as it melts, and really that's it. There's not much to this. After that, all you're going to do is dip in your fully cleaned and washed strawberries. You're going to give them a dunk into the chocolate. You leave on the ends because that's how you bite it. You pull it out. Let that little bit of extra chocolate dip in and then lay it onto a cookie sheet that is covered in paper. After that, you just repeat. You spin your nice strawberries right there in that delicious chocolate. You can leave your double boiler going while you're doing so, and then right out onto the pan. There couldn't be anything easier than making chocolate-covered strawberries for your loved ones. I mean, guys, I think I'm speaking to you with this. Just imagine how impressed your significant other would be if you didn't order them from Edible Arrangements and you made some yourself. I mean, really, it's melting chocolate and dipping strawberries in it. I think you guys could handle it. But girls, guys, girls for girls, guys for guys, whatever you're into, chocolate-covered strawberries, everybody loves it. So just go ahead and dip them, lay them out. You want to make sure that you're kind of even with it. But hey, it's chocolate, it's on strawberries. Couldn't get easier than this, right? After you got your strawberries all dunked in that delicious melted chocolate, I'm sorry to say you gotta chill for a little bit. Pump those brakes. They need to go into the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour so that chocolate can harden around them, and then it's party time. Then you could put them on a plate like this. You can make them all sexy and beautiful, and you and your significant other can have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Enjoy these delicious chocolate-covered strawberries. I told you it was easy. It's like a how-to video. It's not even a recipe. You just dunk them in that chocolate. Make sure you have a really great Valentine's Day. I love each and every one of you. Cheers to hanging out with me on Cait Straight Up, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.